VIP. Cancer view is pathetic. Anyways.
How many here?
2.
Right hand side facing the jungle. Watch everyone.
Welcome aboard the world famous jungle cruise. For your safety, kindly remain seated. Keep your head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat.
Oh, that feels good.
And supervise your kids. Because that's not part of my job. It's the truth. I'm here to tell jokes and drive your boat. That was a rainforest. It rains and it's a forest. In case you missed the point, obviously. Alright guys, now I'll be your skipper today. Skipper Sa is the name, XA in short for Alexa. Because I don't want to be asked what's the weather today. I don't know, sunny. So that's why my name is Skipper Sa, XA. And over there to your right, you got your first form of wildlife. Yes, those are Homo sapiens. They walk on their hind legs most of the time, but some of them crawl at first, yes. Speaking of the ones that crawl, they latch on to the older ones for more than 25 years, according to my parents. Sometimes 35, you never know. Anyways, these are Crocs of all shapes and sizes, but not shoe sizes, because these Crocs are a bit short. I wouldn't put my feet in them. That's Ginger. Don't worry, she's very smiley. She snaps. Just like gingerbread. Yes, she's a very tough cookie. Yes. If you realize that was a bit of a crumbly joke, well, welcome to the Jungle Cruise, yeah. Alright. Now up ahead, we got the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Everyone please, give me an ooh. There we go. Oh, hey, oh, ooh. You know your vowels. Great job, guys. Now let me introduce you to Bertha. Say hello. She's been there for an extremely long period of time. Some people say it's been 7 decades. Believe it or not. That's why she'll never turn back into a human. Yeah. That's why I don't take showers. Speaking of showers, this is Squirt. He knows I don't like taking showers, but he assumes you guys don't mind. Yeah, sometimes with Squirt, you never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes his aim can be a bit straightforward, or it can be a bit sloppy. Just like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. It appears we have been served with dry humor today, my friends. Yes. Very much like the weather today, unfortunately, yeah. Yeah, if you think the Jungle Cruise skippers are the funniest animals in the jungle, you're mistaken. That would be a stand-up chameleon, because they're big and oh, look at that, it's a gorilla. Yeah, a bunch of them. Well, that gorilla in particular is calling the shots around here. Not me, not Hermione, the gorilla, yeah. Alright. Now friends, I did not check, but if you're wearing yellow today, oh, we have a princess in the back wearing it yellow. The gorilla finds it very appealing, yeah. Ooh la la. Alright, do me a favor guys, let's not repeat history and lean to the right. History, I meant the Titanic, God bless her soul. Yeah. Wow, you made it to the Nile River. This is the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles. And if you don't believe me, I don't care. To your left and to your right, these are African bull elephants. How can I know? How can I tell? If you look at the ears, you see? It kind of resembles where it's from, the continent of Africa. Take that, National Geographic. I know my stuff, yeah. I don't just know jokes. I know about my animals, like these things up ahead. Not many people realize that those things to your right are not wildebeest. They're horny ponies because they got 2 horns instead of 1. And these are stripy ponies. And jigsaw puzzle ponies in the back, yeah. And those are interesting looking turkeys. I would not have them for Thanksgiving. Oh my. Good heavens, it's Skipper Felix and our VIP guests. It appears they argued with a chubby unicorn. You never want to argue with a unicorn. It always gets its point across in the end. Just like my mother-in-law. Crazy. If you thought that was a bit dangerous, well, look ahead. That's the stern of the boat where you guys are at. That's a stern warning of what's to come. Hang tight, guys. Uh-oh. Alright, guys, please cover your ears and hold on to your loved ones. Ready? Here goes nothing. Oh, man. Plan B. Sorry, friend. Extreme measures. Shoe. If you did not get the joke, get out of my boat. No, I'm kidding. There you go. We shoo them away, my friends. I mean, I shoo them away. Yeah. You're welcome. If I didn't shoo the hippos away, we could have ended up like that boat and chimp wreck. That's a family of chimps. That one in particular looks like my dad. My dad? Yeah. Anyways, over here to your left, I have a question for you guys. Does anybody believe in love at first sight? No, not really? Okay. Sounds awkward. Anyway. Sure, why not? You got the lovers of the Jungle Cruise, because they give each other butterflies. I never know the feeling, because my ex failed to give that to me. That's another story. Anyways, over here to your left, you have the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. That exposes who are the real Jungle Cruise fans on this boat. Yes. Everybody else, what are you doing here, huh? Are you more of a fan of Runaway Railway, or Rise of Resistance, or Haunted Mansion? Well, guess what? I got a surprise for you guys. If you did not think backside of water was interesting, let me introduce you to the front side of rock. People have asked me, have you seen the rock on the Jungle Cruise? Of course I have, it's right there. It's pretty solid, no? Yeah. Some people take it for granted, like everybody not laughing. My sentiments exactly. Yeah. Bye, Dwayne. Alright. Over here to your left, you got a mother water buffalo and its baby. Do you know what the mother buffalo says to the baby on its way to school? Bye, son. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Alright. You got it. You got it. Over here to your left is Trader Sam's. Here on your port side. In case you're wondering, are they related to Trader Joe's? Ding, ding, ding. You are correct. Trader Sam, Trader Joe's. Yeah. Same banana. But monkey business. Monkey business, yeah. Speaking of bananas. Anyway. This is Ellie. Remember Squirt? That's Squirt's baby sister. Yeah. Some people think that's water dripping out of her nose. It's not really. Alright. Do we have any Lord of the Rings fans on this boat? She's giving Gandalf right now. Sorry, guys. She's giving You Shall Not Pass. Hold on, guys. Can we pass? Can we pass? I'm not a Balrog. I'm just a boat full of people. Thank you. Alright, well, I guess that's the end of it. Give yourselves a warm round of applause, guys. Yeah. Actually, you should give it to me. I was driving and I drove the boats. You're welcome. Thank goodness we ended the tour. I was running out of jokes. Crazy, but I just remembered, yeah, keep your arms inside the boats, guys. Watch out. The boat might tilt. Stay seated, princess. Don't want you overboard. Overexcited is okay. Alright. Alright, guys. Well, that's the end of it. My name was Sa, XA, in short for Alexa. But if you don't want to remember that name, my name was Mickey Mouse then. Alright. I'll leave you with 2 words of advice. Get out. Watch your head and step and use those handrails. Sorry.